Abeth. I am an art teacher living in Portland, Maine, and I'm going to teach you how to make pipe cleaner dandelions. So first, I'm going to have you take out 2 yellow pipe cleaners and 1 green pipe cleaner. And you're going to find the center of the 2 yellow pipe cleaners. You're going to hold them together like this. And you're going to wrap a little bit of one end of the green pipe cleaner around those yellow ones to secure it. And this green pipe cleaner is going to be your main stem, and these yellow ones are going to become the petals. So you're going to start by folding down one of your yellow pipe cleaners, leaving about 1 inch of this folded over area, which is your first petal. And you're going to keep doing this all the way around with each of your pipe cleaners. And then you'll see that you have 4 ends still sticking out. You're going to wrap those under. And you're going to do the same thing again, folding them down in half into the center like this. All right, and you can, if you have any extra, you can kind of fold it under. But it's okay if it's sticking out a little bit, because you're actually going to take 1 more yellow pipe cleaner and you're going to just kind of wrap this one around the center a couple times just to make it nice and sturdy. And you can actually use it to make just a couple more petals to fill out your dandelion a little bit. And try to keep all your petals just about the same length. And then once you've made your last one with that extra pipe cleaner, you can just kind of tuck it into the center. My name is Abeth, and I just showed you how to make a dandelion out of pipe cleaners.